Finally, pre-treated and primed panels are staged for the main paint application. Conveyor systems carry panels.
Edge finishing machines trim excess metal and polish surfaces. Workers verify dimensions with
Ensure the weld quality meet the standards here.
I am checking the alignment now. It looks perfect.
Frames move to stations where brackets, mounts, and reinforcements for the drivetrain, suspension, and fuel system are added. Robots weld it precisely into place.
The final chassis frames are transferred to staging areas using automated guided vehicles. Workers double-check that every
After primer, panels move through an oven to cure the coating. Infrared and convection heat systems ensure even curing without warping metal.
Finally, pre-treated and primed panels are staged for the main paint application. Conveyor systems carry
Flow rates are optimal across all nozzles.
Confirmed. The synchronization remains perfect.
After the primer cures, robotic arms begin applying the base coat, the color layer that gives the F-150.
increasing airflow slightly on Zone 3.
Confirmed. Gloss consistency is optimal.
After curing, panels are carefully inspected for surface quality. Automated cameras detect micro scratches and color inconsistencies.
This step demonstrates how robotics and precise environmental control work together to produce a high-quality finish for the Ford F-150.
After cooling, panels are staged for quality control checks. High-resolution cameras and laser scanning
The F-150 frame alignment is holding steady.
Verified. We are clear for the next sequence. Check the alignment on the rear left bracket.
Running the calibration tool now. Looks good.
Verified, we are within tolerance.
The alignment on station 3 looks good.
Confirmed. Torque settings are within tolerance. Laser alignment looks good on the rear axle.
Confirmed. Torque specs are within tolerance. Alignment is good on the catalytic converter.
Clearance confirmed. Ready for next phase.
As the steering column is installed by robotic lifts, workers ensure precise alignment. Sensors then verify.
Window and mirror adjustments complete. Headlight alignment and fog lights confirmed. Bumper secure. Torque check passed. Ready for next station.
Alignment secure. Torque checks complete. Confirmed.
Ready for chassis move.
Torque looks good on the injectors. Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Voltaje correcto. Listo para avanzar.
All fluids verified. Looks good.
Finalizing the report now. Ready for the next stage.
Test point 4 verified. All pollutant levels are within the acceptable range.
Secure mounts confirmed on this unit. The deployment mechanism looks solid.
Data confirms a perfect activation sequence. We are clear for sign-off.
All metrics are green across the board.
The F-150 is performing flawlessly under load.
The discs show minimal warping even at this temperature.
Verification complete. The data aligns with the visual inspection.
The chassis response on the slope was stable. Moving to the obstacle course, the articulation felt smooth, consistent with the sensor readings.
Look at the fluctuation here. The ride height is still consistent.
Confirmed. The compression rate is optimal. Looks good. The system responsiveness is stable.
And the sensor data is logging correctly. Plus, the GPS tracking is within tolerance.
The coolant temperature is holding steady under load.
And the exhaust output is well within the acceptable range. The fuel injection adjustments are working.
Wiper sequence initiated, vibration dampening stable.
Auxiliary power holding steady at max load.
Headlight cycle complete, moving to the next station.
Powertrain metrics look solid, but we have a slight anomaly here on the sensor output.
Within tolerance, but let's flag it for a deeper dive before sign-off.
Fuel level steady at 90%. System reports green.
Cap secure. Paperwork complete. Truck 1 ready for dispatch.
Scan complete, 0 defects on the hood.
Confirmed. Final wrap adjustment, and it's cleared for staging.
VIN verified. Data uploaded to the central system.
Confirmed. Delivery manifests are clear.